Good morning, Foodie Farm. What is going on? Right now we're down the islands by the Natural Mystic House. And we just come down with the family for the weekend. We're gonna do some cooking, we're gonna do some liming. Of course, we're on the water. I'm gonna show you all the views. Yeah, so just come along for the fun journey. We don't really have much plans. We're just gonna cook, eat, swim, lime, and spend some good family time together. So come along for this fun vlog. All right, let me give you all a little impromptu tour of the house. So of course we have the top deck here, seating, we have some basketball. Of course we have the pool with the rugrats. This is one of the rooms. Let me show you the view. So this is overlooking a little petting zoo garden type situation. And down there, we'll go down later, there's a beach down there. So on this side, we have one of the rooms. We have another room here, 2 more beds. And this is the last one here with 2 more beds as well. So in all, I believe the house sleeps about 16 people. Then we're gonna check the cooks in the kitchen, pool table, dining table, foosball, of course the living room. There's the little deck, more tables, more chairs, more areas to lime. And then here's the stairs down to the beach. Now don't get too frightened, it is a lot of stairs, but once you come and you settle in, it's not too bad. All right, cooks, what's for lunch? Bread, sausage, good old hot dog for lunch. And what are we cooking for dinner?
Shrimp in tomato sauce with spaghetti. That's about all I can think of right now. Pasta. Yeah.
Time to go and take a swim. Can't wait to go and touch this water. And take a little swim.
The same group that you're
So when you come down to Natural Mystic, you could book your jet ski, ride through Island Wave water sports. Of course, they have these little sea bikes here. They have paddle boats, kayaks. I see they have a banana boat hiding over there. And of course, they have the pullable towables and all the life jackets that you would need. Of course, safety is a must. You have fins, you have noodles, you have more paddles for your kayaks. A whole lot of water sports down here. Rain just fell, so the water visibility is on the lower side, but nonetheless, we love the sea anyway. I can stand a bit. Jump. Right. So you just pull in the water with the paddles. I'll give you a little push. Alright, all here, so the day now winding down. Come back from the beach and chill a little bit. The weather was a little rainy today, but everything was still good. We get to kayak, get to play on the paddle board. Now everybody just relaxing. Hey, look, the little rabbits in the yard. Let me show you the rabbits. Yes, when you come to Natural Mystic, you'll find they have a little petting zoo and they have little rabbits and things running around. So the little kids and them love that. Off in the distance you can see Shaka Cabana Resort. Love the peaceful atmosphere that you find down at Natural Mystic here. See, this is the petting zoo I was telling you all about. You have swings, little pathways and stuff. Again, stuff that the kids and them would love. So we now go and prepare some dinner, and we also got invited to check out Sales Restaurant. So I'm gonna check out the Monday Madness menu over at Sales. So we're gonna take a boat ride over to Power Boats and check out Sales Restaurant. Alright, all yeah. We're going to see what we're doing in the kitchen now.
Italian sausage. We're going to make shrimp or the menu change.
Make it change.
Go on to sausage. Go on to Italian sausage and beef.
Italian sausage.
Pasta with minced beef and Italian sausage.
This is cut it up here.
Celery and sweet pepper.
Celery
That's
and
a
sweet
pivot
pepper.
today. We pivoted.
Okay.
Pivoted because we don't have the tomato. It coming. So the menu with the tomato, the shrimp and the tomato have to do when the tomato reach, which is tomorrow.
Italian sausage going in first.
Let that cook.
Beef going in.
Cover this down and like throw out in the sauce.
Some foosball playing here.
No way.
I need some more. It's 8 2.
I do not care. I do not care.
More meat and pasta in this thing. Come, put some more for you.
Oh, you did that one pot.
One pot. When you're in the islands, is one pot boil. 4 times a day, 3 pots. Not me.
I love it.
No good to eat something. No good to eat.
I told you, this is real Caribbean life. We down the islands by natural mistake. And we're going for dinner on a boat across on the mainland. We're going over by Power Boats, by Sales Restaurant. This feels kind of funny. This is something I always wanted to do. Take a boat and go for food. And yeah, when you come and stay by natural mistake, this is something you could do because as you can see, they have multiple different boats that you could use to go for food, whether it's 5 o'clock in the evening or 2 o'clock in the morning. They could make any wish a reality. Talk to James and the guys, and they will sort all you out. If that's not Caribbean life, I don't know what is. No, I didn't record any audio at Sales to avoid disturbing the other guests in the restaurant. As we were seated, we were greeted by these hot shrimp slices. Do you remember these? So many childhood memories come to mind. I love how they incorporate local elements into the menu. Next up were these hot potato samosas. You notice I said hot again. I really want to emphasize that everything came out super fresh. As the sun set in the background, I mean, you really can't beat the ambience of a seaside restaurant. We got our mains. Off the Monday Madness menu was the surf and turf, a perfectly cooked ribeye with juicy shrimp alongside their savory rice and corn on the cob. I ordered their roasted lionfish. Yes, lionfish. We did a whole series of content exploring the dangers of this invasive species and the importance of eating them every chance we get. All of this was accompanied by some lovely cocktails, entertainment by Nigel Rojas, and of course there was always room for dessert. As always, for further information, I'll include the link in the description below where you can get pricing, location, and timing information. Good morning. It's now day 2. In too long get up. I think bake in the oven. I'm not sure what we're eating with the coconut bake this morning. The weather is a little gloomy, it's a little overcast. I think there's supposed to be actually a tropical wave rolling through today, so we might get some more rain. We might get some more gloomy, overcast weather, but that's a small thing. Now today the plan is to take a little boat ride, maybe do some island hopping. We have some more family friends coming down for the day, so we had to link up with them. Maybe take the boat out, maybe take the jet skis out, maybe take the tourables out, do some water sports. Today's the one full day we have here, so today is when we'll probably get to do most of the activities. Come along and let's see how the day goes. Let's take a walk downstairs and see what's going on in the kitchen. Bake, bake, bake! Turkey, sausage and egg. We're in a house full of children, so there's no saltfish and smoke herring this morning. Walking down to the jetty to go and meet up with some more family who coming down to spend the day with us. Just had to watch my step here. Morning.
Mr. Foodie Nation.
Not a whole grill on the front seat.
Shall we have to check the what? The
Grill.
the grill. The thing and the grill to make sure it's a good grill.
Box here. Alright, well, let's see the piano bubbling there. Chicken, what is that? Smoked bone.
Chicken and smoke. Coconut milk, pumpkin, carrots, lots of seasoning. Alright, I'm gonna let this steam down now.
I tell you, we're gonna walk through the little garden here, which also is a kind of a little petting zoo. They have some animals and stuff. So we're gonna check it out now. I've seen some birds. I've seen a swing. We have a little small parrot here. I think it's supposed to have rabbits here.
Rabbit.
More birds. There's some big dogs looking like wolves over there. Hey, all the sun finally coming out. So we come down to take a swim. Watch them kids and them on the kayak, the lily pad, paddleboard. I think it's a paddleboard they call it. I remember that.
With a small thing.
I just realized I didn't show you all out here any night. So let me take a walk and show you all the deck area. So of course, here you have the seating, the hammocks. You have the ocean over there. Cabin, the pool. You have the basketball hoop. Good morning once again. This is day 3, the final day here. And today seems like a much brighter, less rainy day. So hopefully the sun stays out because we do plan to go on a little boat trip, weather permitting, do some water sports, maybe some jet skiing, maybe some of the towables with island wave. So once the weather stays good, hopefully the sky stays blue, we could go out and have a little more fun down the islands. Alright, now it's time to go and make some breakfast. I think on the menu this morning is bacon shack. We were supposed to do bacon shack last night, but then we ended up eating leftovers because we had extra pila, we had extra pasta from the night before, so we didn't want to overdo. So this morning is bacon shack. Oh, I done seen bake frying already.
Fryer have to take a rest. Fryer have to take a rest. Want to take a call. They will call back and you come mommy to roll out more. She's really rolling out there. He's a big fry. Big for so you want fry, big take fry. 21. Yeah, one from the place, one more from the place.
I'm a bacon shack and I some bacon zapuka here. Well, you don't judge me, but those who know, knows. There's no maracas, we don't no lettuce, we don't no pineapple, we don't no cucumber. We're eating it simple, some ketchup, some mustard, some pepper sauce.
What just with it? I just jumped in it. Just kidding. Let me just walk in. But if you're walking, you feel cold. Swim about. So they're not feeling cold? Because they swim about. Wait, stop, Bella. Wait. Let me see the water, please. It's cold. It's cold? For real? You wanna come in here?
Sun is finally out. It's finally out. Time to go and take a swim.
Turning this off now. It's good. Ah, we're in Italy today. Okay. Italy, we are Italy.
Any boys movement
Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of our little mini trip down the islands at Natural Mystic. We now wrapping up. We ain't too long come out the water. Get to take a little shower, change up and stuff, and we now looking to pack up the bags and head down to the jetty to meet the boat. Yeah, this was a wonderful stay, you know, even despite the weather and stuff. We still get to, you know, do some cooking, do some swimming, you know, play some games, have some good quality family time, you know. And this right here is a perfect representation of our sweet Caribbean life here in Trinidad and Tobago. You know, if you guys want to see more content like this, be sure to comment below, let us know. As always, hit subscribe, hit the like button, and yeah, just let us know if you want to see more content like this, and let us know what kind of content you'd like to see. You know, it's always good to hear feedback from you guys, because at the end of the day, we create these videos for you to share our sweet life here in Trinidad and Tobago and the wider Caribbean. So we definitely want to hear from you guys, and we really and truly appreciate the feedback, and we appreciate the support. Yeah, so thanks for watching.